Marty. He laughs so loud when he sees me getting the bowls to come. Hi. 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 Good morning. Hi, Morris. I'm coming, honey. Hi. Hi. Oh, hello. Hi, Morris. Good morning, bud. Okay. Such a nice morning out here. It was in the 40s, going to be in the 60s. Yeah, it's pretty still out here. No cool breeze. It's cool, but there's no breeze. So, oh, you already got one of those nasty yellow jackets over there by your food tucks. I'm sorry. I would think with the temperature they wouldn't be flying this morning. I'm ready for them to go away for the year. Really ready for it. Stripe's around here somewhere. I saw him. He was in the house a while ago. He's doing his walkabout, I guess. There's Stripe. I am nothing short of amazed. There's Marty. Drinking over there in the sunshine. Nothing short of amazed at the amount of leaves that have come down. Because it's been 36 hours since I blew over here. It's just getting started. It is. I might walk down and trim the butterfly bush today. I got to pick several things to do in the yard today. Got to do a little bit every day to get where I need to be by the time I need to be there, which is coming quickly. But I noticed most of the flowers are gone and the butterflies are gone, and it's time. I'll walk down there with the loppers. I'm going to find a little bit to do when we get back from our walk this morning, but I'm not going to hold Don up on getting into his office, putzing around in the yard too much. I'll do the stuff when we come back from our walk. Hey, Gray. Hi, Gray. Good morning, sweet pea. Good morning. It's a beautiful day out here. Perfect for walking. Gray and I got yesterday's video edited, and I'm coming out here to do stuff. I'm going to plant the violas, and I'm going to trim those tall cut leaf coneflower stems over there, and I'm going to trim the butterfly bush, and there's several other things that could stand to go in the ground or be done, so we'll see. I'm going to spend at least an hour, probably not more than 2. I'm going to make lasagna today, so that's pretty labor intensive. But this boy's like, you going to come keep me company? You going to come keep me company? How about you, Mart Man? You gonna keep me company too? Okay, I don't know where Stripe is, but guaranteed he'll pop up here. Hi. Hi. Marty doesn't like to have... Tux wants you to touch the top of his tail nonstop. Marty, it acts like it hurts him, and sometimes I forget. And I touch him where he doesn't prefer it. Marty likes his stomach and his head. Aww. What? What? Here. Hi, bud. And the butterfly bush is cut back. I ponder if I should have cut it back more, but all the heavy part at the top that an ice storm would pull over or something is gone. I always leave Don gifts of hauling off stuff deep into the woods for us. Here I've taken out the cut leaf coneflower, which was totally done. All that green that you see in there is the base of it where it's still thriving. I I think the only rule of thumb is you don't want to cut it when it's going to rain and freeze inside the stem. It should have plenty of time to heal up in the next 10 days before we have any weather that would bother it. So I think I've done okay. I'm leaving the cannas for now. One year I cut them back in the fall and they were really unhappy. Super unhappy. The following spring they didn't do as good. So I don't know when I'm going to cut them back, but there's still a pretty red flower up there, and not today. Hey, Mart Man. I have company. I have help. Tux and Marty. I haven't seen Stripe, hasn't come running up. Hi.
Hi. So what kind of work have you been generating for me?
Well, there's a pile of stuff in the front yard. A big pile that needs to be carried off into the woods. But you know there's 3 other piles. There's on the cement,
Sure.
a small pile behind you over there now, and in the middle of the backyard. So it's
There's
about,
4 piles.
yeah, it's time to haul off stuff. And then I can't get that one stake out of the ground over there. I tried and tried. The ones in the front yard I got out and I put them back under the house, but there's 3 or 4 other poles over there because I figured when you pulled the one out, you just carry all of them under the house. And I guess that's it. I did plant a hydrangea down not too far from cone shrub.
Oh, okay.
I dug up 2 of the big brackish ferns and I moved them where we talked about wanting to move some of the stouter ferns.
Yeah.
And I put the hydrangea in the hole where I dug the ferns up.
Oh,
See,
that's smart.
yeah,
Reusing that hole.
reuse that hole. There was also kind of a tree stump there, so it was super easy digging. There wasn't a rock or a root in the entire hole.
My girl, she's got the touch.
And I did collect seeds from the coleus and the cut leaf coneflower. A whole little, quite a few. I'm sure there's fibers in there that are shells from the seeds, but there's also seeds in there. So
Okay.
I have a plan.
You have a.
I have a plan, yeah, for spreading the love of flowers.
Oh God.
It's nice out here.
It is nice.
I think I'm calling it quits for the day, though. I've got my violas planted, and anyway, yeah.
All right. Well, I still need to keep going. But
Yeah, I don't care if you do it today. It'll be waiting on you.
I'm sure.
I might add to it.
I'm sure.
I made a yummy pan of lasagna. I'll put in the oven it a little bit. And I am going to work on the castle for a bit. Well, I'd have to say that this technique of using these books to gain a lot of detail and intricacy on the inside of the building is really working out. It's pretty snazzy. Like I said, I've got a lot more Harry Potter figures, so I went ahead and used up most of the ones that came with the 4 books. There might be 1 or 2 more left. But I will have a duplicate set, another set of characters upstairs. I'm stopping for the night. Our lasagna's done.